Welcome to PCPL Khardakale Estates. We wish to introduce you to our rubber plantation being developed in the Konkan region of Maharashtra in the Ratnagiri district, which is on the western coast of India. It was John Joseph Murphy, better known as the father of Indian rubber plantation industry, who founded India's first commercial rubber plantation in the Kerala Hills in 1902. Konkan region receives an annual rainfall of 3,500 to 4,000 millimeters. With climatic and soil conditions identical to that in Kerala, we undertook a prolonged study of the Konkan region and identified suitable sites for setting up the rubber plantation. The site through which we are traveling now is a hilly site having an elevation of around 400 meters above mean sea level. The site, spread over 1200 acres, is located in the undulating Sahyadri Hills in a village called Hardakhade, located in the Lanza Taluka of Ratnagiri district and is about 70 kilometers from Ratnagiri city. The National Highway NH66, better known as the Mumbai-Goa Highway, is just 18 kilometers away from the site. The site was identified in the year 2009. A detailed site plan was prepared to convert the raw terrain into a hospitable and cultivable area. After getting the approval and go ahead from the Rubber Board of India, a core team was set up to acquire the land in favor of our investors who shared our vision of setting up an environmentally sustainable plantation growing cash crops for long-term wealth creation. From a mere few thousand rubber plants in 2013, the last 2 years have witnessed substantial growth in the number of trees planted and also the acreage which has been brought under active plantation and development. How have we accomplished all this? During this period, we have surmounted various challenges in the form of land excavations, road construction, terracing of the hills, cutting of trees, manpower issues, developing irrigation, technical difficulties, land legalities, and so on and so forth. Our first priority was to create a well-developed road network. Today we have an all-weather road stretching more than 15 kilometers long in place, providing arterial connectivity to every nook and corner of the sprawling site. Experienced personnel were deployed to create the terraces to plant the rubber trees. More importantly, a dedicated team with background in agriculture and engineering was created to exclusively take care of the plantation. Local villagers have been employed and trained to carry out various activities for proper upkeep and growth of the plantation. The site is blessed with a perennial water source in the form of a waterfall which provides water for irrigation during the non-monsoon period, which is normally from November to mid-June. A water supply network has been created to irrigate this vast and sloping terrain without using electricity, and use of both drip irrigation and sprinkler technology ensures adequate water supply to the plants. A durable wired fencing including fish nets is set up to protect the plantation from wild animals. After more than 2 years of painstaking effort, an area of 450 acres was developed to plant about 5,000 rubber trees in 2013, followed by planting 33,000 trees in 2014, which covered an area of 350 acres. These plants have grown to a height of about 14 to 15 feet today. In the same years, more than 20,000 bamboo saplings were also planted along the slopes of the hills as a sustainable crop. Today we have more than 15 staff and about 100 to 120 laborers working full-time on the planted area, apart from the contractual staff involved in setting up the infrastructure across the site. Since the tapping of rubber begins only these plants provide an interim source of income as well as play a major role in keeping the soil fertile due to their nitrogen fixing abilities. This season, we plan to introduce the cultivation of spices like black pepper, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, turmeric and cloves. An in-house nursery has been set up to grow more than 30,000 plants, including various varieties of rubber, as well as black pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, and other medicinal and avenue plantation trees. This will supplement our planting schedule every monsoon. By the end of 2017, when the site is expected to be fully developed, it will have a total of 2 lakh rubber trees, 50,000 bamboo and 10,000 silver oak trees planted.